For number 81, an 18,000 kilowatts geothermal plant has a generator efficiency of 90% and 80% respectively. If the quality after throttling is 20% and each well discharges 400,000 kg per hour, determine the number of wells required to produce if the change of enthalpy at entrance and exit of turbine is 500 kilojoules per kilogram. So we have a choices here. A is 4 wheels, B 2 wheels, C 6 wheels, D 8 wheels. So we have a solution here. For the given, WT equals 18,000 kilowatts, and for AG equals 0.9, and ET equals 0.8, and X is 0.2, and CW equals 400,000 kilogram per hour, and delta H equals 500 delta over kg. So we need to find N. For the solution, WT equals MS times H3 minus H4 AG ET. For WT, 18,000 kilowatts equals half MS, and H3 is 500 kilojoules per kilogram times AG 0.9 times ET 0.8. So MS equals 500 kilojoules over kilogram times 0.9 and 0.8, we get 44.4 kilogram per second equals copy 18,000 kilowatts or 180,000 kilogram per hour. So MS equals X mg or 180,000 kilogram per hour equals 0.20 mg. So just divide this 180,000 kilogram per hour divide 0.20 mg, we get this mg equals 900,000 kilogram per hour. So we find N equals mg over CW equals mg is 900,000 over CW is 400,000. We get the answer N equals 2.25 or 2 wheels. So the answer is letter B.